Have your best run yet in these shoes from Saucony. They've been engineered using SPEEDROLL technology with a unique design that's going to help propel you forward effortlessly from heel to toe. The Power Run midsole is lightweight and springy, which is going to help you go the distance. Underneath, they have the XT900 outsole, which is very durable and perfect for road running. There are reinforced laces on the vamp, and they have a flat design which will offer a locked down fit. Inside, the collar is cushioned for comfort, and they also have a removable padded footbed.